Hi friends, in the previous video we concluded with the consonant P and the vowel A, and we learnt the different sounds and different words, and we also gave some sentences. In this video I am going to start with the consonant R and A and the vowel A. Okay. R, A. The softest Ranga, then we have Rakesh, then we have Raga, next is race, radio. Now we'll say, use a sentence. Ranga is my cousin. Next. Rakesh is a good cricketer. Raga is a tune in classical music. I went to the race course. Next. I bought a new radio today. So here we see we have used the consonant R and we have used the vowel A. And here we have pronounced Ranga, Rakesh. Then we have pronounced Raga. Then we have pronounced Re, Re. Here it is, we have hard. Here it is soft. Here it is soft. Ranga, Rakesh. Raga, race, radio. So these two words we have different pronunciations of different sounds. With this one we have made a sentence. Ranga is my cousin. Rakesh is a good cricketer. Raga is a tune in classical music. I went to the race course. I bought a new radio today. Now let us move on to the next one. The next one is S consonant and A vowel. Salad. Then we have sarla. After that we have saucer. Then we have save. Then we have another save. Salad. Okay, sentence for that. Salads are good for health. Next one. Sarla is going, Sarla is attending spoken English classes. Saucer, please give me a cup and saucer. Sail. We sailed on the Ganga river last Sunday. This bike is for sale. Here again we have used the consonant S and we have used the vowel A. We have made different sounds and different words. The soft one is salad, sarla. Saucer, sail, sail. We have used it in different sentences. Salads are good for health. Sarla is attending spoken English classes. Saucer, please give me a cup and saucer. Sail, we sailed on the Ganga river last Sunday. This bike is for sale. Let's take another one. We'll start with T-A. T-A. Tabla. Next, taffeta. Task, target, tailor, taste. Now we need to make sentence for this. Tabla is a musical instrument. Taffeta, I bought a taffeta shawl for my wife. Taffeta is a fine fabric. Task, my boss gave me a big task to complete it in a day. Target, I reached my target on time. Tailor, a tailor stitches clothes. Taste, mangoes taste good. Here also we have taken another consonant T and we have taken vowel A. Tabla. Tabla is a musical instrument. Taffeta. I bought a taffeta shawl for my wife. Task. My boss gave me a big task to complete it in a day. Target. I reached my target on time. A tailor stitches clothes. Mangoes taste good. Next we will go to VA. The next one that we are going to use is consonant V and vowel A. Variety. Next, Vasanta. Then we have vast, vase, various. Here we have taken consonant V and we have taken vowel A and we have made these 5 words. These 5 words sound differently. Here it is variety. It is a soft sound. Vasanta. It is a soft sound. Here it is a hard sound. You need to stress a little more. Vast. This is vase. Various. Now we need to frame sentences on this. We can see a variety of flowers in the horticulture show. Okay, next one. Vasanta is a good speaker. Next, vast. History is a vast subject. Next one, vase. I bought a vase today. Next we have various. There are various ways to complete this project. I'll read the sentences once again for you. Variety. We can see a variety of flowers in the horticulture show. Vasanta is a good speaker. History is a vast subject. I bought a vase today. There are various ways to complete this project. Next we have WA. War, want, waste, wages. Many people lost their lives in the Second World War. Want. I want to become a police officer. Next one is waste. Waste can be recycled. Next we have wages. I earned my wages. Here we don't have a soft sound, we have a hard sound. War, want, waste, wages. Many people lost their lives in the Second World War. Want. I want to become a police officer. Waste. Waste can be recycled. Wages. I earned my wages. We'll go to the last consonant, that is Y and A. Soft sound, Yamaha, Yamuna, yard, yak. Here we have the soft sound. Yamaha, Yamuna. Yard, yak. Now we need to write sentences for these four words. Yamaha is a Japanese name. Japanese bike. Okay. The Taj Mahal is on the Yamuna River. Yard. We have a backyard. Yak. Yaks live on snow-capped mountains. So here we have two soft sounds and we have two different sounds. Yamaha is a Japanese bike. Yamuna. The Taj Mahal is on the Yamuna River. Yard. We have a backyard. Yak. Yaks live on snow-capped mountains. So here we end with the consonant and the vowel A. Okay. We have taken the first vowel A and we have concluded out here. Now in my next video what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first consonant B and then I'm going to take the second vowel E. Out of A, E, I, O, U we have done with A. Now we are going to frame sentences and we are going to use words in different sounds with B, E, C, E, D, E likewise. Okay. I want you to please listen to the different sounds that we keep telling you, and I want you to observe the spellings, and I also want you to frame sentences. We have given one example. You try a few more sentences. That will help you in a long way. I wish you all the best. In my next video, you're going to see a lot of difference.